In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a group chat in Google Chat. If you need to quickly bring a few people into the same conversation, Google Chat makes it simple. We'll walk through creating a new group message from scratch, making sure everyone you need is included, and sending that very first message clearly and confidently. Begin by opening Google Chat. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. Either way, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you see the right contacts. Once chat is open, look for the New Chat button. It usually appears as a plus sign next to the word New Chat near the top or side of the interface. Click that to start building your conversation. In the field that appears, enter multiple emails or names for the people you want to include. As you type, Google Chat will suggest matching contacts. This is helpful if your organization has a directory, because you can confirm you're picking the right person. If you prefer, you can paste several email addresses at once, separated by spaces or commas. The key is to make sure each person you add appears as a selected contact in the field so they're actually included. Next, select all participants from the suggestions. Click each matching result so they're added to the list. If you see duplicate names, check the email address or profile details to pick the correct one. It's worth taking a few extra seconds here to avoid inviting the wrong contact. When your participant list looks right, click Start Chat. Depending on your version of chat, this may be labeled Start or Start DM. With 3 or more people, you're creating a small group direct message. If you try to add a very large number of people, chat may suggest creating a space instead. For a quick group conversation, keep the list to a manageable size. A new conversation window opens with everyone you selected. Click into the message box at the bottom and type your message. A short greeting and a clear purpose are great for the first post, so everyone knows why they're here and what you need from them. If you want multiple lines, use Shift+Enter to add a new line without sending. When you're ready, press Enter to send. Take a moment to glance at the participant list at the top to confirm it's going to the right group. That's it. Your group chat is live, and replies will appear in the same thread so everyone stays on the same page.